Power. It comes in numerous forms. Power breathes life into new beginnings, new eras, new ideas. Introducing the power of Aiper Scuba N1 Ultra, the world's most advanced, most powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner. Designed for those seeking and ready to harness ultimate cleaning power. With the Aiper Scuba N1 Ultra, we've made it simple for you. One pool, one cordless robotic pool cleaner. The N1 Ultra delivers the strongest, most efficient cleaning experience yet. Equipped with dual-layer filtration system, the N1 Ultra is designed to remove all impurities and microorganisms as small as 3 microns from your pool. That's nearly 1/100th the size of a grain of sand. So say goodbye to the old days of green, murky water and nasty pools. The Scuba N1 Ultra is the first pool cleaning robot in the industry capable of horizontal waterline cleaning. This machine is packed with technology. Whether you're a professional pool cleaner or the owner of a large, luxurious pool, the Aiper Scuba N1 Ultra is truly beyond compare. Seize the power. Aiper Scuba N1 Ultra.